Hi guys, welcome to Ruti Studios. Today we are going to see the unboxing of Type-C USB reversible connector. That is, it is a pen drive cum Android connector. Means you can transfer the files from computer to your Android phone, or you can connect it directly to the Android phone and transfer files from it. So let's see the unboxing of it. So this is a Strontium company reversible connector. So as you can see, it is of capacity 128 GB. 128 GB type C connector. So basically you will have two types of connectors for Android phones these days. One is the general Android port connector and another one is type C connectors. Today most of the phones, recent phones or the big phones which are premium phones are coming with Android type C cables. So my phone is also OnePlus phone and it has a type C cable, so I bought a type C USB connector. So if your phone is of Android connector, you can go for the Android reversible connector. So this is the 128 GB version and it mentions the read speed will be up to 150 Mbps and the write speed will be up to 100 Mbps. So first unbox it and then we will see the read and write speeds by connecting it both to the computer and the mobile phone. So as you can see at the back, you see it is a USB certified one and it is compatible with both Windows and Mac and also with the Android. So you can easily purchase this even though you own a MacBook or an iPhone or anything. I don't know whether it will be connectable to iPhone or not, but it is compatible with Android. And the version of the USB is Type-C USB 3.1 flash drive. So the version of the USB is 3.1 and it is also compatible with both 3 or 2.2 versions of the Android also. So it is a reverse compatible. See, as you can see, it is a USB 3.1 backward compatible with both USB 3.0 and 2.0. So if you own a computer which is 2.0 ports also, then it will be fine, it will work. And they are also given 5-year limited warranty also for this. Okay, so let's go and unbox it. Okay, so it is tightly packed here. Okay, let's unbox this from this side. Okay, we have one opening here. As you can see, the size of the pen drive for the Type-C connector is not even at all the size of the pen drive. Actually, before ordering, I thought the size of the this one Strontium will be around pen drive with 3 inches size. But after receiving the product, I was very much surprised to see the size is very much less. See. Okay, let's keep this aside. This one too. Okay, see, this is the connector. It's 128 GB connector and the size of this is very less. It's almost 1 inch size. Even though you keep it like this, the size is almost 1.5 inch. It's not even 2 inches. So the size is very much less and it is very premium. The material used for making this Strontium pen drive is metal, as you can see here. So basically the front part of the pen drive is usually made of metal for every pen drive, but the holder which is made up of plastic for all the other pen drives. But in the case of this Strontium pen drive, it is made up of metal. If you see other pen drives, like I have a Sony pen drive here, so this is totally made of plastic and the metal part is only the pen drive which we insert into the computer. Also I have another one of SanDisk only, so it is also the same thing. The metal part is here and the rest of the pen drive is plastic. But in the case of our Strontium pen drive, everything is made up of metal and because of that it looks very premium. Also the durability is very much because of it is metal. If you use a plastic pen drive, the chances of breaking it and falling down and breaking are very much more, but in the case of the metal pen drive, this pen drive falls or this pen drive may not break and you can use it for more longer durations than that of the plastic material. Okay guys, so this is the overall review of the pen drive and my suggestion is it looks very good and very premium. You can go for it. So let's see the transfer rates by connecting it to the computer and the PC and how it behaves. Okay guys, I have inserted my pen drive into my laptop. So as you can see here, the Strontium pen drive is detected like this Strontium, and as it is a 128 GB pen drive, we are only getting 120 GB, so 8 GB storage is unavailable for us. So okay, so I have a video called unboxing Amazfit smartwatch, so I'm gonna transfer it from my personal laptop into this Strontium pen drive and let's see how the write speeds are into it. So I'm just dragging and dropping it here. Okay, as you can see, the write speed is around 70 Mbps they have reported around 150 mbps, but we are getting here 72 constant mbps speed. Okay, so it is around 1.25 GB video, and it got copied into it within seconds, so around 20 seconds it got copied. Okay, so now I'm gonna copy it from pen drive into the computer. So I'm gonna delete this video here. So here we have the video, and I'm going to drag it from Strontium to my personal computer to see the speed. So this is considered as write speed, and it has a blazing speed of 340 mbps. They haven't even said that. So they said the read speed will be around 150 mbps, but as you have seen, it will be around 300. Okay, let's try it one more time and see how it will be. Is it constant or not? Okay, I'm just dragging and dropping it into my computer. Wow, that is amazing. So you have seen a speed of 300 mbps, a 1.25 GB file copied within 4 or 5 seconds. Okay, so the the read speed from the pen drive is very much pretty fast, and you can copy files from pen drive into your personal computer with blazing speed. Okay, so this is about connecting the pen drive to the computer. So let's connect it to a mobile phone and see how the mobile phone is able to read it. Since it is a 128 GB pen drive, it is a huge storage for a mobile phone, and let's see how this mobile phone is able to handle it. Okay guys, until now we have seen how Strontium pendrive is performing when it is connected to the PC by transferring files from PC to the Strontium pendrive and vice versa. Now we will see how it is performing by connecting from the OTG to the mobile phone. So I have connected it to my mobile phone, and for this transfer demo I am using Solid Explorer as my explorer. Okay, so before going into the demo, I would like to tell you that whenever you connect a OTG cable or an OTG pen drive to your mobile phone, you need to enable the OTG access in the system settings. If you don't enable the system settings OTG, then your mobile phone will not detect that OTG pen drive you connected. So for that you need to go to settings and systems. You will have an OTG storage functionality here. Then you need to turn on this. If your mobile phone does not have this option, it means that your mobile phone is not able to connect the OTG cable. So I have enabled that option there, and I am here in the Explorer. On the left hand side is the internal memory of my mobile phone, and on the right hand side is the USB drive which I connected through the OTG. So I have one video, 1.25 GB video here. So I'll copy it from here, I'll cut it here, and I'll paste it in, so that it will be copied into my internal memory. So as you can see, it is not that fast as you have seen in the PC. It is taking some time to copy. It is 1.25 GB video, so it is taking some time. So as you can see, we can conclude that it is not as much as fast when you connect it to PC. So when files are being transferred from USB drive to the internal memory of your mobile, it is quite bit slow. Okay, so 75% is completed. So whenever it is completed 100%, we will get the report. So how much time it has taken and what is the speed it has transferred with. Okay, so if we see this, it has transferred with an average speed of 33.3 mbps, which is quite good for a mobile phone, and the total time taken is 38 seconds. Okay, so now we'll do the vice versa. I'll transfer this image-fit video from my internal memory into the USB drive and see how it is. So I'll copy it, I'll paste it here. As you see, from internal memory to the Strontium pen drive, it is quite fast than compared with from USB drive to the internal memory. I don't know why that happening. So the write speed is more than the read speed when you connect the Strontium pen drive to the mobile phone. Okay, so almost 50% is completed, another 50% more to go. So we will see the information at the end, how much speed it has taken and how much time it has taken to copy a 1.25 GB file. Okay, it has completed copying, and it copied with a speed of 25 mbps. Initially it copied very fast, but sooner it reduced the speed and it took total 51 seconds, which is lower than copying from USB Strontium pen drive to internal memory. So overall the average speed is 30 mbps while copying using a mobile phone when connected to a mobile phone. Okay guys, so overall the speeds are very good, and the performance of Strontium pen drive is also very nice. The looks are very premium, the quality is very good. So if you want a OTG cable to transfer your files between your mobile phone and PC and carry it with you, then I prefer going with this OTG cable Strontium. We can also use SanDisk or Kingston OTGs if they are also available. Okay guys, thank you for watching the video and subscribe to my channel for more updates. Bye bye.